now that you've caught the wave, you got a couple options. One being, you can lie down and just kind of belly board the wave, which is probably a good idea the first couple times. Just get a feeling of what it's like to be riding the wave. Maybe get some confidence in your equipment. Feel what it's like to have this board going fast, you know, and be able to turn around, kind of just play around like a video game. Other option is to stand up. Now, when you're going to want to stand up, you're going to want to jump up, although that might not be your situation at first, but it's something that you really want to do. A lot of people, when they start surfing, they kind of do the crawl thing like this. But with such a short board, if you're going to put pressure on one side of your board, chances are the board's just going to flip over. So you're going to want to learn to jump up. And what I recommend you do is, what I did, is I would just learn to jump up like a cat. Even when you're at home, you know, just sit around your house. It's almost like a little push-up. It's just a good little exercise. That's how you're going to want to get up. But I know the first couple times it might not be that easy. But you do not want to crawl up. It's such a bad habit that you want to make sure you can just jump to your feet like that. Once you get up, you want to keep your feet about shoulder width apart. Then you want to really make sure you don't want to stick your butt out by any means or stand too straight, but you want to feel comfortable. You want to have your knees bent, ready to absorb some shocks and get going. Look, sort of have the ready pose, you know, the low center of gravity, nothing's going to knock me off kind of style. So you get low, you want to make sure your feet are somewhere focused and centered right on the stringer here. The stringer is the wood piece that is the center of your board that goes straight down your board.